The Supreme Court has upheld anew the constitutionality of the extension of martial law in Mindanao. The magistrates voted 9-4, dismissing 4 petitions that challenge the factual basis of the third extension of martial rule in the region. Congress approved President Rodrigo Duterte's request for a third extension of martial law until the end of 2019. Kenneth Pasyente filed this report.
The Supreme Court upheld the third extension of the declaration of martial law in Mindanao. In an en banc session, magistrates saw the constitutionality of the said extension.
Our Supreme Court today has ruled to uphold the constitutionality of the extension of the declaration of martial law and the suspension of the privilege of writ of habeas corpus in Mindanao until December 31, 2019.
As a result, the High Court dismissed the consolidated petitions against the extension of the martial law in the South. These include the petition filed by Congressman Edsel Lagman, Bayan Muna Representative Carlos Isagani Zarate, Attorney Christian Monsod, and Rios Valle. 9 justices, including Chief Justice Lucas Bersamin, voted to uphold the extension of martial law, while 4 justices dissented.
The following justices voted to grant the petition. Number 1, Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio. Number 2, Justice Marvic Mario Victor Leonen. Number 3, Justice Francis Hardelesa. And the 4th justice is Justice Alfredo Benjamin Caguiwa.
Malacanang praised the action of the Supreme Court. Presidential spokesperson Salvador Panelo said that this only goes to show that the 3 branches of the government are united to protect the country from rebellion and terrorism. Concurrently, Malacanang asked the public to always support the government forces. Meanwhile, Bayan Muna Chairman Nery Colmenares was dismayed over the court's decision. According to him, this action paves the way to impose martial law in the country even if there is no threat to public safety. He also asserted that in implementing martial law, the Constitution requires actual invasion or rebellion, which he said is not happening nowadays. But House Speaker Gloria Macapagal Arroyo was delighted in the decision of the court.
It's good. We're very happy because we voted to extend it.
It was on January 29 when the petitioners and respondents faced the justices in oral arguments to lay out their positions regarding the extension of martial law in Mindanao. Kenneth Pasyente for The Nation.
Beyond the headlines,
it's news with a different perspective.
Before the day ends,
for events that shape our views and impacts the world around us,
we keep you up to speed.
With Richmond Cruz and Charms Espina, PTV News Headlines, your comprehensive nightly news source, only here.